The 2008 Pie Social at the Bethany Lutheran Church in Ishpeming, Michigan was a big hit for all ages, as over 100 people attended the first annual event. Of course, nobody was happier than the children, who were in pie heaven.
Tell me what kind of pie you had.
Cookies and cream.
Was it good?
Yeah. Pie.
What kind?
Blueberry.
And you had another one too.
Cookies and cream. Blueberry and cookies and cream.
Pie a la mode was a big hit, because what goes better with pie than ice cream? It was hard to choose just what kind of pie to eat, because all the usual favorites were on hand.
Apple, lemon, custard, pecan, raspberry, blueberry, cherry, raisin custard, just every kind of pie there is. You might want to start serving some of that cocktail there.
2 longtime Bethany Lutheran Church members organized the Pie Social to raise money to repair a leaky roof.
We thought we would help to raise some money toward our new roof. We had a leak in the roof, and they're going to put a new one on in the spring. So we decided we would try to have some kind of a fundraiser, and Pie Socials go over so well. We thought this would be our first time, and we're going to try it. And being that the weather's so cold, we're surprised at the big turnout. We decided we were going to try this, and we went to the council, and they gave us permission. So here we are.
Several of the churches in the area do have Pie Socials, and they're very well attended, and people seem to enjoy that. So we thought we would try it. So Kay and I got this thing going, and we got a lot of cooperation from the women as far as making pies and helping. And whatever we make today will be matched by Thrivent. So hopefully we'll be able to do this every year. Once the roof is paid for, then we'll put the monies toward another project. We do have some windows that are going to be turned into stained glass windows, so possibly some of the funds could go for that.
Well, the women who decided to do this knew that we had an issue with our roof last fall, or last summer actually it was, and so we need to repair the roof, and the money from the Pie Social will go towards the roof fund for the church. Thrivent is matching the funds, yes.
It was obvious from the smiles and the chatter that one important part of the Pie Social was socializing. People talked about everything, from the big Packer game that weekend to the below-zero weather.
8 inches tall.
And when you slice it all up, it was one sweet event, because in this case, pie dough equals dough for the repair fund. I'm Greg Peterson, and you're watching Bethany Lutheran Church TV.